Welcome to the Mauerpark Flea Market, one of the most vibrant and exciting destinations in Berlin on a Sunday. Situated in the heart of Prenzlauer Berg district, Mauerpark is a sprawling green space that transforms into a bustling hub of activity every weekend. Located along Prenzlauer Straße, this park holds a significant place in Berlin's history, once being a part of the Berlin Wall's death strip. Today, it stands as a symbol of unity and community. So local artists come together and tourists alike. It is one of the most exciting places to be.
So this is the Mauerpark Flea Markets, and just having a look. Most of the time I come here, I never buy stuff, but today I'm feeling in the mood. I need a nice hat because I lost mine on a plane, and I need to find some sunglasses. So let's see if we can find something cool.
Once you arrive, you'll be greeted by the lively atmosphere of the flea market. It's a treasure trove of unique finds, from vintage clothing and handmade jewelry to antique furniture and quirky collectibles. Now, getting to Mauerpark is a breeze, especially by public transport or bike. If you're using public transport, hop on the M10 tram line, which conveniently stops near the park.
So as much as I love markets, we're just really busy all the time. But look, I can't help something popular being busy.
Alternatively, you can take the U-Bahn to Eberswalder Straße station, just a short walk away. For those who prefer cycling, Berlin's bike-friendly streets make it an enjoyable ride to the park. But the magic of Mauerpark goes beyond the flea market. As you wander through the park, you'll stumble across an eclectic array of street musicians, each adding their own rhythm and melody to the vibrant ambience. From soul guitarists and energetic drummers to talented singers and instrumentalists, these musicians bring Mauerpark to life. Their performance creates an open-air concert experience where you can sit back, relax, and soak in the diverse sounds of Berlin's street music scene. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. See you next time. Keep on adventuring.